Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play KBM on Roblox Mobile. To get started, you'll need a few key items. First, an OTG adapter is essential to connect your peripherals. Then, grab your favorite USB keyboard and mouse. Finally, ensure you have the Roblox app installed on your mobile device. These three components are the foundation for transforming your mobile gaming experience. Once you have your equipment, connecting it is straightforward. Plug the small end of your OTG adapter into your mobile device's charging port. Next, connect your USB keyboard and mouse into the larger ports on the OTG adapter. Your device should recognize these new inputs almost instantly. Some adapters have multiple ports, allowing for simultaneous connection of both devices. With your hardware connected, open the Roblox app and launch any game that supports keyboard and mouse input. Many popular games offer this functionality. Navigate to the game's settings menu to confirm your controls. You'll typically use WASD for movement and your mouse for camera control and interactions. Experiment with different settings to find what feels most comfortable for you. If you encounter any issues, first check your device's USB settings to ensure peripherals are recognized. Not all games fully support KBM, so try a few different titles. Sometimes, a simple restart of the app or device can resolve minor glitches. Practice is key to mastering this new control scheme, so give yourself time to adjust and enjoy the enhanced precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.